Hi, welcome to this course. This course is Canva Basics. This course is free for anyone who wants to learn Canva. So jump right now into the course and start learning for free. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. In the first video, I'll show you how to open Canva. To begin with, what is Canva? Canva is a tool that you use to design your logos, your graphics, and your pictures. You can also do a lot of other things that you will see in the tutorial. Go to google.com, type Canva, and click on login to your Canva account or sign up to Canva. In the first video, if you go to sign up to Canva, I'll show you how the interface looks. This is my account. I'm logged in. I will log out and I will show you how it looks. By default, when you go to Canva, either you will go to login page or sign up page. If you want to sign up, click on sign up, and here you have the option to use the Gmail account, which is the Google account, or you can use your email as well. Follow the steps and then click on login. Then click on continue. It is signing me on with a single sign on by Google. Click on the account and it will log you in. Click on continue here and it will log you in. As this is the very first video, I will just show you what are there. On the left hand side, you see a lot of things. Don't be overwhelmed. This is the open menu, which will show you templates, photos, graphics, creator, and start content. And you can click on it to close the same. Okay. Then you have create option, home option, projects option, templates option, brand option, Canva AI, and more. There are a lot of things that you can do on Canva. When you are on home, you will see the designs that you have created in the past. So as you can see, these are all the designs that I have created in the past using Canva itself. So you can see that I have a lot of them and I have edited a lot of them as well. So as you can see, the list just goes on because I use Canva a lot. Okay, wonderful. So in the first video, I showed you how to go ahead and open Canva and how to navigate around. If you click on a particular thing, for example, projects, you will be in the projects. If you want to look at the pre-built templates, click on templates and it will show you all these things. At the center, you have these things. I will explain these things as we go along. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's your time to share this video with your friends because learning Canva is very, very costly. It will cost you anything around $1,000 to learn. So please share this video with your friends. This is free. Thank you so much. And I cordially welcome you to my channel as well. If you're here for the first time, please click the subscribe button and then share this video with your friends. Thank you.